What's up, everybody? It's Joe at kbmuscle.com and Swing This Kettlebell. So I'm going to show you my favorite way to really get into the lats, the external obliques, and the QL, along at the same time doing external rotation in your hips. So glutes, all that stuff. So I'm going to take a regular couch that's right about hip level. You can do this on different spots, but I find a spot like this. What I'm going to do is stand behind it, put my leg up here, try to get that shin flat, and try different positions to where I get really good external rotation in my femur right here. Now, this is very, very different than sitting on the floor in different positions. So basically what I like to use, stick mobility, tools like this for assisted yoga type moves. So I'm holding this position. I'm also moving slowly in and out of the range, okay? So I'm twisting to the side, moving the other side laterally, all working on that area. Also leaning slightly forward. The thing is, I don't have very, very good mobility in both at the same time. It affects my body differently, and if I'm doing kettlebell sport or jerks or something like that, this is the position of my spine I'm wanting like this and locked and tense so I can launch. So anyway, what I do is get here, put that leg up here, external rotation, one at a time, and I can really, really focus on where this is. Then I'm going to take this stick and use it as a prop. So I'm going to get my arm overhead. Now, instead of just trying to stretch over, what I can do is I can control it with the stick. And I can also use a longer one. If this was the 7 foot, I can put it over here and lean. Now that's something I can do as well. I can put this out here as a prop, and I can lean and arch my way over. I can also use this stick to pull down. So that's something that you're not going to get when when you're leaning without the stick. So you can use it as activate or contract, relax. So here I can contract, relax, contract, relax. I can put in different positions. I can put the arm here. I can stretch the tricep now. So I've wound up all this big system into a very big stretch. You go behind the body. Now that whole time I've been working on, you can do kettlebell jerk position, right? You can do different things like this. I can rotate with this above. All it is a prop that allows you to be in different positions than you could feeling-wise just by doing this, okay? So like I said, if you're using this for yin yoga-based things or different types of positions, using a prop for different things, just like a bolster or a yoga block in yoga, we can use these if you're a barbell athlete, or if you're a kettlebell athlete. Things like this come in handy a lot. Okay, so now here is my kettlebell jerk position. I can work on, right there, folding forward. I can work on arching backwards. I can get into different positions behind my body. I can move fluidly into those positions. That whole time I'm spent working on that hip position, and I'm going to take it down carefully. Now this isn't something that I really work with intensely before I train. This might be something on off days or afterwards, because right now this feels very, very different. TFL, it all feels very, very different. Positioning overhead. So that really affects the movement that we have in our hip as far as internal, external rotation. All right, so hope that helped.